So working remotely has never been easier. You can work any job that you want to, more or less nowadays, remotely, as long as you have a laptop and as long as you have an internet connection which is reliable at home. You can do a lot of jobs now. So let's crack on with the video. Hey guys, welcome back to Educating Mike. This is my channel which gives you financial advice and life advice which you weren't taught at school. Now, working at home is a real possibility these days. As I've said, you just need a laptop, you just need a good internet connection and you're away. So the age of having an office isn't so relevant now. So if you want to work from home and earn decent money, I'm going to give you 5 jobs that you can look at which can earn you at least £10 an hour, at least. And most of them are at least getting towards 15, sometimes even £20 an hour, depending on the job and your experience and what have you. So let's crack on with the 5 jobs that you can do today, working from home, to start making some more money, either part-time or even a full-time income. Let's go. So job number 1 is a virtual assistant. Now what do? Here you provide admin support, you provide office support to businesses. Usually businesses will pay a premium for this because, again, getting good employees in this role is difficult. So to be a virtual assistant, you need to have great organisation skills. You need to be very due diligent. You need to be really organised. You really need to have great computer skills as well. This is a really good opportunity. You're looking full time. You're looking at least £20,000 a year, and more. It's just a great role to get into. There's so much demand for virtual assistants. You could potentially even do your own business if you want to, or you can have work for a company. Obviously, so many options in this role. So job number 2 is an online customer support assistant or a call center agent. Now, again, this is mainly answering calls from customers, or it might be through emails or a messaging system that the company has set up themselves. So you're going to say, this customer has ordered this customer wants this service, and I'll message them to make sure that they can get their items, or if there's anything needs to be done, or whether it's phone companies and you need to renew their details or anything like that. Anything customer support side, obviously you've got to have fantastic customer skills here. It doesn't have to be face-to-face skills, but you have to be able to present well. You have to be able to present the brand well. Obviously, that's the biggest thing. If you're working for a company, you need to present them well. You need to present them professionally. And it's a great opportunity, again, like at least £10 an hour in these jobs, sometimes more. And again, because you're working from home, it's going to be flexible around your hours. You're not going to have to leave home, so you're not going to have to go, you're not going to need a car, you're not going to need to go into the office. Again, if you're a stay-at-home mum or something like that, then this is a perfect opportunity. Whether you are or whether you're just a 20-year-old guy, it's a great opportunity for anyone really, and a great way to earn either additional income or even a full-time income. So job number 3 is a copywriter. Now what do I mean by a copywriter? This is someone who's on social media managing all of the company's accounts. So you're on Facebook, you're on the Twitter, you're on Instagram, you're on TikTok even nowadays, that's the big thing. YouTube, obviously, on this platform. You're managing all the videos, managing all the posts, you're writing copy, you're replying to messages from customers or from just general public who have maybe got inquiries on your products of that company or the services of that company. And again, it's just a great role from that pays actually quite well, because in marketing, to get people who can really write copy well is a very high in demand thing at the moment, because obviously the world is going online and more need to actually market online is required. So job number 4 is a data entry clerk. So this is entering into databases or into Excel spreadsheets, loads of data. You've obviously got to be very good on a keyboard. You've got to be able to pick up things very quickly. You've got to be able to pick up numbers extremely quickly and make formulas and create things very quickly. So your sort of hand-eye coordination and general organisation needs to be exceptional in this role. Now, again, this is still going to be maybe on the lower end of the pay, but it's going to be at least £10 an hour, and it's just a great sort of entry level. And anyone can do data entry really, as long as they really apply themselves and they know what the company needs, then they can do that. There's so many jobs in this area, obviously. Anyone who's an accountancy or anything, any business who needs massive bulk loads of data done but can't do it through a computer and needs the human person to actually go through and put this data through. Things like addresses, names and addresses and things like that obviously need to be entered. All sorts of details need to be entered from companies. And again, as long as you're quick on a keyboard, this is a great opportunity. So job number 5 is a CV writer. Now you might think to yourself, CV writer, you can't write CVs and make money, but yes, you can. Most CV companies are actually paying at least £10 per hour. Most of these companies do offer good, a decent living wage for what you're wanting to do. These companies include Purple CV, Top Resume, and City CV Centre. So again, just have a Google on these websites, see if you're any good at writing CVs. If you are good at writing CVs, then perfect, this would be great for you. Again, if you're maybe not into CVs, then you might have to look into something different, but if you do love writing CVs and you've got a natural talent for writing CVs, then great. I mean, what I would do is I'd write your own CV, maybe write a few friends and families. I'd apply to these CV companies. If they accept you, then obviously they're going to start giving you clients. That means you get money through. You'll get paid roles coming through. What you could even do is this could even go into a business at one point if you get good enough at CV writing. Some people demand big money for CVs, and if you can really write CVs well, you can make a lot of money, whether it be self-employed or whether it be employed, because even when you're employed, if you're very good at CV writing and you can get a lot of people jobs, or at least get to them to the interview stage, this is really high in demand, and your money which you can demand is going to go up and up. So it's a great thing to do if you are very good, like organizational, if you're very good with sort of personal relations and understanding how the recruitment works. I mean, if you've got recruitment experience, then that'd be perfect, because CVs is a great way to CVs is connecting to the recruitment agency, obviously. So it's a great way to make some money on the side if you can. So I hope you like that video, guys. There's 5 jobs that you can do from your home with a laptop and a good internet connection. So if you'd like that, guys, like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching that video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and check out this video.